Hello, Roman Scorpion here. After I released that video a couple weeks ago about some companies with navigation systems that for the BMW and alike that wanted me to buy the product first, review it, and then once the review was done, send it to them first. If they liked it, they would reimburse me on the cost of the navigation system, and all of that. I'm not going to pander to get free things by just doing positive reviews for things. I'm not going to, misrepresent actually the equipment itself. It's good or it's bad, or it's good and it has some issues, which pretty much everything made does. Nothing is absolutely perfect. You're going to have issues here and there. It's what the company does with that information. Do they the next generation, the next iteration, they go ahead and they make it better? Or do they, just basically continue with it as it is, if it's not that big a deal? That being said, this showed up at my door, and I don't know anything about these guys. It's MotorTablet Pro Max BMW. It says it's seamless BMW integration, wireless connectivity, HD touchscreen, Bluetooth, IP67, waterproof durability, and native wonder-wheel control. I did unwrap it. I did take a look at it. It has the standard type of an Apple box where you have to beat it to death to get it open. Come on. So just a box with some foam and the unit itself. It's actually fairly robust. It's pretty stout. Obviously it's a factory BMW style mount. It'll fit right into the cradle. Standard pin configuration, does have a seal around it, so that should keep everything dry. It's pretty stout. It does still have the film on the screen. I haven't used it, put it on the bike or any of that yet. It's pretty solid. It comes with the unit, it comes with the manual, and it comes with the screwdriver to take the cover off the bottom to put an SD card in or access the USB-C port. And that's it. That is all that's in the box. And that's pretty much it. I mean, you know how it is. Most guys, or pretty much 90% of the guys, we're not going to use the directions. We're going to put it on there and figure it out. It seems to be, from what I was reading looking at on the box and all of that. I mean, and everything that since this thing showed up, I've started Googling it, looking at it, and that type of stuff. But really didn't know much about it. But it seems like it's a pretty solid unit. I will be putting that on the BMW later today. It's and I'll do a brief video of putting it on, syncing it to Bluetooth, and going through some of the functions and stuff, and then try it out on the road, see what it looks like, see how it functions, see how it acts. And I'll be doing it as a long term. I will be taking it off road. I will be going, highway runs, around town, all of that, and just see how it stands up. I mean, it is better than 100 degrees out here in Texas, so we'll see how it really is with heat. According to what I was reading about it, I mean, it's supposed to be good to, like 130F and, down to, ultra low temperatures. We'll see. We will try it. I can't really test the ultra low temperatures unless I throw it in the freezer, but that's about all we have here. So I will be testing that. I also had somebody send me 12 of these Oakley L-frame MX goggles. They actually are prescription eyewear compatible, so they will go over your glasses and all of that. They sent me 12 of these. Once we hit maybe 1,000, I'll give away 4 of these. I'll pull 4 different names out of those that comment on this video and those at that time, going up to 1,000. As soon as we break 1,000, I'll pull them. I'll contact you, get your address, and I'll ship these out to you. And on the other side of that, and above and beyond that, I'd like to thank Scorpion Gear, Scorpion Helmets. They went ahead and they sent me and my son some T-shirts and some hoodies and, the standard customary decals and stickers and all of that fun stuff. we got a bunch of that stuff. I greatly appreciated. My son loves it. He's been wearing the shirts now all the time. We got them just a couple days ago. Everything seems, I mean, they're really good fit, really comfortable. You know, they're not too heavy, especially it's 100 degrees out. So inside the house, you might throw it on because, you know, my wife likes to keep it Arctic in here. So it is what it is. But there's that. Also, Nelson Rig was kind enough to give me a coupon code for all of you guys. I get nothing from it. I get nothing if you purchase or don't purchase. It doesn't make a difference. This is just a coupon code that they supplied me with for the benefit of those that are subscribers and viewers. It's just Scorpion in all caps, and you get 25% off any order $50 or more. And you know, it's incredible gear. I now have 2 sets of the Hurricane bags, saddlebags, and I've run these things on everything from, you know, XR250 ripping around to, you know, all, you know, the Yamaha Super Tenere. I had these on the BMW GS1250 Adventure. I threw those on there as well. I love them. They're waterproof. They're sturdy and rugged as all get out. I mean, my crash bar bags are Nelson Rig Hurricane gear. That's what I have on the BMW. They're great for holding tools and that type of stuff. I do have the tool roll as well. It's a tool roll. It works. There's bigger ones out there, but that one's good. It kind of confines you to not getting too crazy and carrying half a toolbox with you. Love their products. They've been excellent with me. I would like to thank a few of the different sponsors that I have right now, either sponsoring in a percentage off to me for, you know, for their sponsorship. It's all that little stuff helps. But I'd like to thank Engine Ice, Ogie Power Sports, EVS Sports, Factory Effects, ASV Inventions, Azonics, Kawasaki Team Green, Magyar USA, TMV US, and then Spy Plus glasses, goggles, and the like. Cardo Systems, really like to thank them. Slick Products, GoPro, and Rental's amazing. Slacker, their tools are great for setting your sag and all that awesome equipment. And Suomi helmets out of Italy. Those are the bulk of my sponsors at this point. They are amazing. I definitely appreciate everything they do for me. Their sponsorship programs are awesome. You know, it does go a long way. It does, you know, help the channel just by, you know, offering different discounts and alike, and it'll aid into giveaways and alike. So 1,500 subscribers, I will be giving away a set of Hurricane Nelson Rig Hurricane gear saddlebags. I also have a Hurricane Rig tank bag that brand new with tags, all that stuff, and I will be giving that one away too at some point. I'm not really sure what number we'll figure on hitting with that, but yeah, so that's pretty much it. I will be trying this, getting this mounted up later on today. I will have a video with that. I may include it in the back of this video. I'm not sure yet, or it'll be separate, but I will give this a try, mount it up, and let you guys know how it is. I greatly appreciate everything. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Ride often.